November 6th here, afternoon. I usually like to video in the morning when there's sunlight, but it's gray, rainy November weather here. Okay, and we're getting some reflection from my overhead lights and the plexiglass. I want to re-video this with kind of closer up views of some of the detail areas. Okay, my portrait of Alvin Tamarkin, 1950 to 1969, which I drew from his photo in our 1968 Martin Van Buren High School yearbook, which is a hard copy book, hardcover. We have 3 drawings I did in 1967 in some kind of light blue ink with, I don't know what kind of pen I used, very thin lines. A plant, like in a saucer, like a vase or whatever. We have 2 buildings. This looks like the Colosseum, and another building, perhaps in Rome or some other city in Italy, with statuary on top. Statuary, like holding what looks like to me, like a rifle with a bayonet on it. And this one's dated June 1st, 67. And I inserted it upside down. I'm going to see if I can flip my camera around. Hang on. Like an angry woman. I'm going to flip this again. Whoops. We have fragments of linoleum block prints and woodcuts of mine. I don't know when I did this drawing, 1970s. Pencil. More woodcut, lino cut images, and looks like I drew some, like a mouth and teeth and eyes. Cut this one out in the shape of an allegorical sea monster, which we have a number of those here. This one's kind of like a starfish. There. And this one says, Oi! Exclamation, Heroinis, BL, tiny letter A, H! Exclamation, heroin, oi! Heroin is a blah. My Martin Van Buren Senior 68 pin I mounted on there. I mounted this kind of tile from like a child's toy set with a bee image on it, because the school paper was called the Bee Line. It was hard copy back then. We have 3 drawings I did in the early or mid-1970s. A bird with like antenna and what have you. And this one here. And I don't remember when I drew the bird there, probably 1970s. And actually, I've had this ruler, which I mounted here since I was in high school. Wow. Oh, and we have 4 cigarettes I drew of flower birds in Chicago, 10/12/68 U.S. Kent, Camel, Pall Mall, Cool cigarettes. That's when I was waiting for my trial. I was arrested for possession on the way back to New York from Haight-Ashbury. I had hitchhiked west out of the Holland Tunnel in early June 68 after I had told my folks I was not going to college in the fall. I had taken a job with a firm in Manhattan as a clerk and had rented an apartment in the East Village, and I heard my father tell my mother that he was planning on hiring thugs, like in Little Italy near where his business office was, to plant drugs in my apartment, and my father was going to have me arrested for possession, which is just kind of threw me for a loop. And I ended up at Haight-Ashbury, I don't know, some days after I hitchhiked west. And then, we're getting long here, but I met Alvin after I got back to New York in early November. We got together at least twice, maybe 3 times. All right, there you have it. Alvin Tamarkin of blessed memory. He got into heroin, ended up in a psychiatric hospital, and took his life around June 17, 1969, way too young.